how to make a folder for your iPhone app. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a folder on your iPhone home screen to organize your apps. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. This is a quick and easy way to keep similar apps grouped together. Choose the first app you want to include in the folder. Tap and hold the app icon until it goes into wiggle mode. Without lifting your finger, drag the app over another app you want in the same folder. Once the apps overlap, your iPhone will automatically create a new folder. Let go of the app, and it will drop into the folder with the other app. You can tap on the folder to rename it and organize it however you like. To add more apps, just drag them into the folder while still in wiggle mode. Once you're done organizing, tap Anywhere or swipe up to exit wiggle mode. And that's it! Now you've created a folder on your iPhone home screen to keep things tidy and easy to access. That's all for the video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.